Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Project Cardboard, and today you're looking at cardboard World War II submarine that I made a while ago. So I made this model. It's honestly really special, but you have to get rid of the old to make way for the new, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So you might say, why don't I just, keep it, whatever, but there's just not enough room. I want to make bigger, larger projects, and I just want to start doing some more different things, and the only way I see for me to do that is to clear up some room and break the submarine here. So this submarine is kind of special. It was the first model I made when I moved to the new place that I moved to. So I made this, I made it in my bed or something. It took me a few weeks to make, like 3 weeks or so, and I really like this model. I've kept it for so long. I hung it up on my ceiling, just hanging up there. Then I put it on the ground. I'm always changing its position and stuff. But now comes the day when it comes time for me to break it. Alright everyone, so now we're going to be breaking this model. I don't want to do it, but I must. Here we go. I know a billion people say this, but for real, subscribe. That's it, folks. It's over. Here's the inside of it. I broke it. It's finished. I'm gonna throw it in the garbage, but this is it when it's halved. This is the island. I'm probably gonna end up keeping this just for keeps, because it's a really nice model. Yep, there's the front part. You can see the detail, and as you can see, I couldn't build the body of that perfectly. It's kind of low poly looking, but I could do it better if I tried it again. But that's it. I mean, it's gonna go to the garbage now. But, like I said, I'm keeping this. That's it, guys. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Good content is coming. Peace out. For real, peace out.